So, but yeah, I'm gonna continue. Anyway, here's the vlog.
Good afternoon, guys. I'm standing here waiting for Love. Well, see if he joins. And joins if he shows up soon. One Piece shirts. Love. Me. Face.
We are playing Worms today and it is going to be a great time.
And he was cut off, I think, but yeah, we're doing Worms after going on a murder spree on TTT. It was fun.
Yes, Orlando. That's in the peninsula.
I thought you guys might want to California.
What the fuck you want?
Nothing. It's real.
It's ugly.
And they suck.
It's true.
They suck.
Maybe it's made.
Damn it, Obama.
Stupid short clip because we suck.
Took away
Hey
But
dude,
this is not
remember
here.
this guy?
Yeah, the sky. No, shut up. But it has like
No,
so much
wait,
sugar and
listen to me.
stuff.
Listen to me. The recession took away my bitches.
Yeah, bought some chicken. You guys not realize I was walking?
We did.
It's so stupid long. You don't know. Okay, Brittany. Green penis.
I told him to say
I
it.
told you. I told you. Yeah. I told him what do I do? Will you mind with me? And he's like, nope. That.
You say it. You say it.
It feels so cool.
We'll put it on.
Dun. Hey, no, put it on. I can't zoom in like epicness if you don't.
Really?
Do
Okay.
you... Why would you put it on my middle
That's the
finger?
wrong
know.
finger.
You dumbass.
Because I'm stupid.
Thank you. Shh, we gotta open it. Do that. Shh. It's gonna be a right ring.
I'm alone
And
again.
there, diamond ring.
So flustered.
Oh shit. Abandoned house for 100.
We're not gonna be friends by the end of this.
Maybe.
Guess who's gonna
Oh god, this is blurry. That's
You're not
better.
gonna buy it?
Guess who's gonna fuck your bitch? The stripper pole, like, actually.
I am screwed because these things are mortgaged. I have 429.
This is mine.
Lav has a bunch of those properties, a bunch of these hotels, and $528.
I could buy a skyscraper for all of my stuff.
Brittany has all of these properties, a bunch of apartments, and how much money do you have? 1,200. She has 1,200.
1,276.
And
So if we had to rank it right now, it's Brittany, me, Joel.
yeah,
Guess who has 25?
I've been screwed over
It's
so
funny
much.
because
Okay, so Lav landed here. He declared bankrupt, and it's almost time to go. So we should declare that Brittany won.
Let's just talk about how stripper pole.
look at her
No,
total
it's not.
money.
Wins
Just
all.
look at her total money.
Talk about my money.
Yeah,
And she
total-
would have gotten more too. She would have gotten more, like 1,400.
Oh, that's not my sister.
Guess my money.
Now we're gonna put stuff away.
Guess who's fucking awesome?
And I finally,
not you.
and I finally got my freaking novel. So,
And I
yeah.
got.
Oh, are you excited?
I already read it.
I got a hard
Did you find
drive.
the Easter eggs?
Not all of them.
I can show you.
We
them.
all got.
I
Wait,
guess.
we all got something. We all got something today. You got your novel back. I got a hard drive, and she won.
I won Monopoly. Okay,
Yes.
this is payback for sorry.
It was not
You know
my
what?
fault.
Yes,
It was
yes.
not my fault that I won
Yes.
sorry. I won
This is
sorry.
also payback for worms.
Second
No,
thought.
we played Worms and I beat him.
You know what? Let's rewind a little bit. I don't declare bankruptcy. Everything goes to you.
Yeah. What?
We don't even have time to finish, okay?
I like half size.
Party.
I didn't tell you.
Oh, Felipe.
No. We broke up like 3 months ago, honey.
Holy. Now you just need to put them
Can you actually? You can deal with that. Wait, can I try?
Now go with your knees and nobody will know.
I have like dirt all over my
Lob,
hair
you
now.
have to fit in there so you like.
Can I try? You would fit.
Okay, Lob, you have to get in there so you know it lays flat on the ground.
You guys were doing it. I'm like this, and you guys are putting it sideways.
Slowly. I was trying to put
Your
it on.
back was hanging out, dude.
Somebody got it.
Who was it?
Wait, who was it?
Oh,
Oh, okay.
Don't kill people.
it actually hurts in there. When she like,
I'm actually very.
And
1,
now,
2, 3, 4,
our
5, 6.
bonfire haze.
hey, say hey.
6, 7,
This is
8,
unnecessary.
9,
Just say hey.
Hello.
Hey! Raise your hands and they're saying hey!
Oh,
You do it too! Or not.
Throw something on the ground so I can.
Tom, you're okay. Tom, just say hey. Tom, just.
He's sitting on you.
No.
Okay, Tom's being sat on. Hi.
Oh fuck!
Katie? Hi. Hey. Hey. I have to. It's a necessity. Okay. Did I get everyone here?
Tom's on
the ground in the fetal position. I think he's the one that's
Hey,
gonna
Tom!
No!
Tom! Okay, he's gonna die. Only Brittany understands why I have to do this. Say hey! Hey, ugly. And I gotta be like, hey! Hey!
I'm gonna be.
Now you have to do it upside down. Say hey!
Hey!
Yeah!
Brittany, you know I'm gonna be editing.
Russell! Say hey! You have to do it. It's a necessity. Please just do it. Hey. Even if it's a wimpy like, I got poked. Now can you do it? Hey. Alright, wonderful. Somebody say hey!
Hey! Why are we in video?
Now you're upside down. Now you're sideways. Now you're the other side.
Is this a video?
Now you're black and white.
Now you're black and white. Now you're magical. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Rainbows.
I tried.
Rainbows. Okay.
Those are gonna be crappy rainbows.
Sucks to be you. Everybody say hey.
Hey.
Say hey.
Excitement, bitch. Hey. Say hey.
Hi.
Say hey.
Hi.
Hey. Okay. I have to do this. Say hey.
Love.
No. Hey.
Love.
Hey. See, they understand.
Love.
That works.
Hey! You know, I'm going to take some milk. No! I wasn't done. I'm going to take milk and I'm going to throw it at you for all the times you threw milk at me during lunch because it's not okay and you're
This is
not.
gonna be cut out. I hope you know that. Hey. Everybody say hey.
Hey! What a wonderful kind of day.
You're really doing this again from last year?
Yes, you understand. What a wonderful kind of day. Hey. Okay. All you people say hey. Except for you don't punch me. I know my limits. Hey.
Hi.
Don't take a picture of me, I swear to God.
It's a video, so I guess it's not the same.
What's it for?
For
Joel or
This
person's upside down. Say hey.
I wouldn't be running away from him, right? So.
Daniel, hey.
Love.
No, say hey.
Hey.
See, she understands. You say hey.
Hey.
Did you say
Doing
hey?
it for me because I don't want to do it.
Did you say hey?
You did it actually.
Hey. Okay.
What do I want to say?
Hey.
I do it for people who don't want to say it. Is there anyone I missed? I got you.
Hey, Copernicus. You got everyone.
Christine! Didn't get you. Say hey. Hi. Yeah. You. Hi. Woo. Yeah. That was
2 sinks from the goldfish.
Tastes great. You were implying that little. She's teaching online.
How you doing?
Christine.
Fondue?
Oh yeah. Do you need to
Did you ever
You can tell if it's golden brown with that.
Do you want me to make you
that
make
The white is the front.
There's a hovercrafter thing.
Whoa, what is that?
It's a hovercraft thing. Apparently that thing's just Cameron and Chris. Yeah, they over there. I don't know what they're doing. I'm just going.
Hi.
Yay.
You're having fun.
Tom, don't do it.
I am. I need light.
Yeah, I know.
I'm just gonna lean on you.
Yeah. No, that's not it.
Where's Cameron?
Camera. Oh, it is the camera. Here, wait. Can I just break it? Anyone got something I can throw at it?
I mean, what is going on?
Yes,
I just
throw
need
me.
something I can throw
Heidi,
at.
throw me.
Why is the light green for some reason?
Yeah.
What is wrong with my camera? Why is it green?
Color correction?
No, look, dude, look. It's green. Completely
light.
green.
Which we were.
Look at it from your eyes. It's not green. I don't know.
The wrong thing.
Why are we following this?
Because we want to go punch Cameron in the face. I like it's a task, bro.
I like the way you talk to me like that. You're
There is so much. It looks like semen.
But is it really semen?
I like it when I say that.
It's Halloween. I think we'll be playing this.
Because she put it on our This is unholy.
Morgan, you're blurred.
Oh, Swami.
Here, wait, go back. I'm gonna redo it.
Stop! Alright, we ruined it.
Okay.
Sorry.
It was going so well for so long. It changes colors.
Oh my god.
Oh no. I almost that one almost hit it.
Are you guys going?
Changing colors.
Tom, are you going?
Yeah. Okay, so now we're just sitting at the curb waiting for my brother to show up. Love, you want to explain it? Then I'll talk about it. Just try to do it real quick.
Okay,
Like yeah,
just the simple details.
simple details, yeah.
Okay.
No names.
Okay, a girl got dared to kiss someone. First a girl, and she was like no, because I'm not lesbian. and then she looked at everyone, and she pretty much knew everyone there except for Joel. So when Joel walked by, she was like, "Oh, I should kiss him," and everyone knew Joel. So Joel, yeah, we'll kiss Joel, it'd be fun. And Joel was like, "No, no, no, no." So he walked away. But me being me, I and one of my friends who actually dated that girl and broke up with her. Yeah.
Okay, Joe, bleep that out right now. Okay, go.
So me and my friend grabbed Joel, and we were like, "Girl, come over here, kiss him." And while Joel was flabbergasted, what's going on?
Can you stand how he literally looked like? Just like that, yeah. While it was, yeah.
But your hands went from like this as the kiss happened down. Like you're like, okay.
Yeah. And I'm sorry, I just didn't expect it. And it was weird.
You liked it.
It was weird. It was weird. The thing is, okay, let's say you kiss your girlfriend, you feel something, I don't know, sort of, because you had a relationship with that person. I didn't know her, it just felt like nothing, but I don't know.
See, the thing is, I'm never letting this go.
Okay. You guys know me if you've been here for a while. I'm a shy ass person.
The thing is, like, I actually know the girl. Like, she's my friend. So it's not like I didn't know who this person was either. So it's like, okay, this would be funny for me to see someone really shy and someone kind of like vibrant.
And
kiss.
It was so weird. I honestly, damn it. Yeah, like I said, and with that, it was like I felt nothing. It was just like, okay, I guess.
Bro?
Yeah, I think that's my brother. I think it might be him. No, it's not him. Okay. Then I can go up over here and say this looks like Dime a bit, like his helmet. I don't know. I just saw that and this, and it looked like that's his helmet. I thought of that, okay?
A sewer hole.
But
a sewer hole. Yeah, it's a sewer.
Yeah, it was weird. So weird. Out of all the things that would happen, that would be the outcome, I did not expect that to be an outcome.
I think I made her say hi.
What, to me?
Oh,
yeah. So.
Will they find out?
That is out of all the girls. Goodbye, love. They can't see you.
Now you see me.
Okay, yay.
Bye. Flabbergasting.
I'm gonna end the vlog now. And yep, that was just the weirdest thing ever. I still can't believe that would happen. What Love said, how I looked, that's literally, because I know what I did, I just wonder how it looked. And I still feel the lips, like, markings, because I wasn't ready. I kind of had my mouth like this, I guess, and it just, this little area, it's weird talking about this. I have never been in that situation. I'm sure she has, because I mean they were doing stuff. She probably did it as no big deal. I find it not as a big deal, like I'm gonna date this person, because I know it's not gonna happen. It's just a, wow, okay, that happened. And oh my god. I'm a Power Ranger, Super Sentai comic writers, I guess. I don't know. I'm in the middle of watching one season out of the many that there are. 16-year-old who's Mexican, and I kind of express on how shy I am, but I really am. Like, I don't really talk a lot in summer school because I'm not a social butterfly. That came up at the bonfire, not about me, about other people. Like, oh look, now this person is a social butterfly. And I told Bob, I'm still a caterpillar, as in, so I'm a social caterpillar. I'm not a social butterfly. I'm an unsocial caterpillar. That's what I am. But it was so weird. I just kind of stood still. When I denied it at first, I literally, like, my feet kind of started, not really like shaking, but I just felt like something, like I got cold feet almost, and I don't know. I'm pretty sure, I don't even know this person. She doesn't know me. That's why she decided to do it on me. But I mean, it was just, I kind of, that's it for today. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just, like, unexpected. That was I thought there was a 0% chance of kissing anyone today out of all the days. That was the thing that happened. I'm sorry, I know that not most, but this happens to some teenagers, or they just kiss people randomly at like parties. I'm not. I already told you, explained it to you. Like, there's no relationship before that kiss, so it's like, I'm not a stud muffin. I don't know. See you guys tomorrow. I need to stop talking.